Okay, Aiden, you can see the instructions are right here. So use a different color line to draw indicating glucose level change where carbo loading. So double click on the graph axis and then click on scribble. Oh, shoot, I see what you mean. Okay, so if you click on this graph or on this right here, okay, and then go up to, actually, maybe if you just double click. If you double click on the image of the graph, you're in the drawing app, then you click this down arrow, scribble, and then you can kind of freehand form draw your lines. Okay, and you can change the color over here. I want to show. Okay, so it's all done that way. Okay, and then when you hit save and close, there, it's drawn on your graph. Okay, so again, double click in the drawing app, click down, scribble, and then just draw. Okay. How do I undo this now? Oh yeah. Okay. All right, that's it.